Today, I'm going to bring in aluminum alloy portable laptop stand. Now, if you guys can see it, yes, it is a laptop stand. So it's that small. It fits in your palm of your hand. This is perfect for traveling. Those that are going to do some presentations or they need to move from office to office. This is a perfect item to have. This fits in actually anywhere in your suitcase, in your pockets. If you're traveling, like I said, a very unique area to actually set these up and this is good for eye level if you don't want to strain your back or anything like that. This is perfect. So let's go ahead and open it up. But before I do that, I'm gonna let you guys know the vendor was kind enough to send this out to us for review. So let's go ahead and open it up. So when I saw this, I was like, I didn't believe that it was that small, an actual stand. Because normally when you get them a large bulk and you got to build them yourself. So on this particular one, it comes with its own bag, so perfect to fit in the backpack. Um, Perfect for traveling. As you can see, it looks like a butterfly knife pretty much, and it opens up similar to it. So if you guys can see, this is it opens up. Very simple to open it up. It closes up. This is the actual bottom part. If you guys can see, these are the actual grips that are going to be hanging on onto the table, so it won't scratch them because it's aluminum. It's really light. Opening up is easy, and then picking it up is actually even easier too. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and if you guys can see it, I'm opening it as we go, and here's the stands. You want to level it to the level that you want, and you got these little kickstand here in the back, and you pretty much lock them into place wherever you got a couple areas that you want to. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 areas that you can connect to it. We're gonna actually use the level 2, and if you guys can see, I'm gonna put it side angle so you guys can see how much it's gonna. We're gonna put in this computer in here, and it just automatically sinks in because if you guys notice, it has the rubber in here, here, and here, so it won't scratch your laptop too. So you're gonna go ahead, open it up, and eye level it. So this is actually pretty comfortable. You could have it however you want. You could set up set a keyboard in here if you want. Have your computer level to your liking, and you could have multiple screens if you want to work around it. So that's not bad. I like this idea of it. I don't want to set up sideways. It could carry a lot of weight on it, so because of the actual two forks that actually lock in, you could push it down. Nothing's gonna happen. Different, like I said, different views. You could change the elevation if you want. Very simple. Easy to use, easy to set up on the mode, easy to remove. There's no locking mechanism in here. There's only these two grips that prevent it from actually sliding off completely. Thickness of computers, you could pretty much have extra space in here. You could actually set up anything higher than that. But the unique part of it is like you're ready to go. You close your computer out, you unlock these things, you close them back, put them up, you get your little bag, and you're ready to go. Simple as that. And then you lock it in, you carry your computer with it. You could carry this anywhere you want. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.